Hey guys, Redneck Motor Vlogs here. I am riding my brother's bike right now. Look, there's mine. There we go. So shit. His bike screwing up on him. It's a little smoother than my bike, so we might go a little faster than we usually do. So, oh god. My boot got a little stuck there and it got stuck in the ground. So, Redneck Motor Vlogs meant to say actually. This is bike vlog number 3. I'll start doing skateboard vlogs once I got to town. What the fuck? Callie! You guys can hear that cat. It's going, Crazy cat. But this is bike vlog 3. Whenever I was out in town, I was gonna make skateboarding vlog number 1. So my first skateboarding vlog. And with my 4-wheelers fixed, dang it, cat. With my 4-wheelers fixed, I'm gonna make I'm just gonna make me some 4-wheeler or motor vlogs. You know what? I think I can go farther. Come on. Back. Who's in the truck? There we go. Look at them birds. Fly. I hope my phone will fall off. Right here. Far enough. This is our neighbor's road. To go to our neighbors, so they got a long driveway. But here we go. Yes. Oh shit. I wish I know how to pop wheelies and shit. Well, it would have been easier on this one than mine, because mine's a little harder. No. I'm actually doing no hands right now, because I'm not in the mood. Hey! Stop that fighting. Crazy boys. Y'all see how fun. Oh, here comes Bella, guys. Here comes Bella. My sweet, sweet Bella. There she is. Hi, Bella. You're alright. You better run. Run, Bella. I am Donkey Kong. I'm just running. Hey! You're not allowed in the road. Back it up. Gosh, you're not allowed in the road. They don't listen to me. Remember, I don't show my face. I don't like doing that, doing motor vlogs. That's kind of stupid. Like, oh, hey, everybody wants to see my face. Oh, me too. Dumbasses. I'm not calling you guys never mind, let's go. Hey! Get your butt back down there. What do you think you're doing? Go, 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 he's following! Oh god, they all are. Go, 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 go! Let's go, get over there! Crazy mutt. Okay. He's still going? God, get away from me! Stupid dog. Ugh. That was actually hard to think how to do. Because that dog, it's just my sister's dog, and he's a brat. Dick, actually. He's a fat brat. Back tires. Back tires messing up. Alright, there we go. Oh, there's a bug in my face. Here we go. Whew. Stupid dog. Just chasing people on bicycles. So, I'm gonna do like a short ride. My bicycle don't fall off. I'm like, my phone. Look, Waddy. There you go. There you go. Go get him. Oh, God. Oh, there they go. Bella's coming to play. Alright, let's go. This time I'm going slow because I'm going to the bumpy road down my road right there. Until I get past. Oh, there you go. Waddy's right next to me. Come on, Bella. See what I was warning about? We're good. I know he's loud. Bella made me hit the brakes because she ran right in front of me. I might go down that big hill right there. Should I do it? You hear him? Bye! Oh, God! Bye! You leave me alone! You don't make me freaking break the freaking phone! Oh, Bella! Go! Get down there! God, I ran my own dog over an accident. Hit my testicles off the bar. Get! You mutt. Ow! Bella, sorry! There she goes. How many times I have to stop just because of them? Right down the road. I mean, dip it, so. Stay! Are you okay, come here? Huh?
You still packing that damn finger ham like explosive?
I don't know. Let me get out of there.
Fuck you, Dakota. His seat is screwed up. I don't know why. I haven't even paused it once, guys. Roscoe, I'm gonna whoop. Come here, get close. Yeah. I'll whoop you, dog. Oh, we have a hill down here. Let me fix my setup. Look, that Sock's doing that. She's in the tree. Yeah? What are you doing up there? Yes, Cena. I'll come up there and pet on you. Come here. It's alright. Get! There's Roscoe again. Fucking. Okay, lay down. Lay down. How long has it been? Fuck, my hands are stuck on my bike. On the bike. Alright guys, in here.